This is by far the best way in 2024 to make easy money in a very easy and simple to follow process. And so this method is changing a ton of people's lives, and they're able to do this with one product by following a simple framework. And so a ton of people are able to use this simple framework on any product of their choosing and are making quit your job money. So that you know what success looks like, we're gonna go over 4 unique case studies where people are making 30-second videos. In some of the videos, they show their face, and in others, they don't. But in these 30 seconds, they're able to follow the simple framework that leads to a ton of sales. When looking at these videos, it's important to act like a detective. You want to look at the little details that stands out, because these people have created successful videos with a low following count, even less than 5,000 followers, in order to make serious money off these 30-second videos. And so here we have the TikTok channel Hands-Free Walking. And let's look at a couple of the top ranked videos. In order to do that very easily, you're going to download the Chrome extension Sort for TikTok Videos. This will be an easy way for you to organize videos on TikTok from most popular to least. And so I have it sorted based off views. And so I have the top viewed video right here. So let's play it.
Y'all, look at this, okay? We're in an open field right now, me and Ginger. Your dog likes to run away from you like Ginger does, okay? If she sees a dog, I'm telling y'all, if she sees a dog, she's gonna run away from me. She could see a fly and probably run away from me. That's why we have hands-free, right? So she can still have her freedom. She can roam around under supervision. So listen, y'all, I have the lavender leash right here and the baby pink leash. So I have 2 leashes. I have 4 total, but that's not the point, okay? I have 2 right now. You can clip it together here. Now you have a really long leash, okay? So this is 10 feet now. She's crying at that dog. She won't stop. I just cannot with her. 10 feet of freedom. Come on, Ginger, run. Go do something. Okay, so she has a lot of room to run around. I have this around my shoulder right now, but I can't have it. Come here, Ginger. I can have it around my waist. Chill, Ginger. They don't want to play with you. I made it loose though, so I need to tighten it. I love this leash. They have handles as well. As you can see, I have 4 handles right now since I have 2 leashes. As a bungee rope, helps absorb the shock from your dog's pulls. And it also comes with a pouch. You can remove it if you want. And yeah, guys, definitely check it out. It's linked down below. 19 different colors, y'all. 19 different colors to choose from. So if you want to match with your dog, as you can see here, you can match with your dog, period. Oh my God.
So I'm going to tell you a little bit later what she did that was so good, but I hope you're taking notes, as this is a great video. She did a lot of good things that if you do in your video, you're going to be making thousands of dollars in a month. Plus, she has a ton of engagement. She has over 298,000 hearts and over 600 comments. And so people are definitely engaged and excited with this video. Let's hop over to another one. So here we have Ruben Recommends. And so there's something special about this creator that I'm going to mention later on in the video, but you definitely want to be paying attention to Ruben, as he is going to be very important in the success of your TikTok. So let's turn on the sort tool and organize these TikToks. So here we have his most popular video. He has one that went viral and has over 2 million views. His other ones are at 400,000 and 200,000. And he has about 11.4 thousand followers. But just a few weeks ago, he had under 5,000 followers. And so growth on TikTok is huge right now. So let's click on this video and see what he did right.
Right, if you're a side sleeper, you're still out of luck. So what happens is when you're a side sleeper, you're more than likely not only in a hip flex position, which means that your hips are bent at about 90 degrees, maybe a little bit less, and you're also likely in an internally rotated position, which means that your shoulder is being tightened down here all night because you likely have it over your pillow. You've got the other arm here coming across, you're building up some tightness here along the pecs, same thing there. Now here, what you're going to see is that when you're laying on your side, you're going to be putting a lot of compression here along the shoulder joint. So a lot of times people that are side sleepers have some tenderness here, especially leading up into the neck. Sometimes from the neck, it'll lead into more of like a migraine here at the front of the skull.
So we're going to fast forward real quick, as this is 4 minutes long, and let's show the ending.
So these pillows have helped a lot, especially for you side sleepers, especially you back sleepers. This will be amazing. And you stomach sleepers, yeah, don't even get me started, but get these in the TikTok shop, y'all. They're usually around $60 for the next hour. They'll be about $35, so get them while they last.
I hope you have a pen and paper and are taking really good notes, as doing research is very important to the success of any business. You want to be able to know what works. And in this case, we're looking at these videos that have blown up. Here we have Ariana Steins. She has about 10,000 followers. And so it looks like, for the most part, she's not even showing her face. On these videos, she put together a collection of videos by other creators. And through editing, she has made it her own original content. And so Ariana is an example of how you are able to create videos, make real money, and not have to show your face. So let's look at the most popular one. She created a 8-second video that looks like she put 2 TikTok videos together. She has over 18,000 likes and over 100 comments. And she didn't create this content herself, but she is making real serious money from affiliate marketing. And so it looks like everybody in the comments are talking about this $45 pizza. And so when it comes to these TikToks, you want people to engage as much as possible. And so if you want to throw in something that is completely ridiculous, this is your chance. Now I want to show you a TikTok account that has less than 5,000 followers, but is still making really good money from affiliate marketing. And that is Geo Inspire. And so him and his girlfriend, I believe, have created a few videos that have blown up that talk about this Korean skincare product. This video right here has 4 million views. Let's watch the video real quick.
Hey y'all, Koreans saved my husband. Let me tell you how. This was my husband before, and this is my husband now. We recently purchased this Glow Deep Serum from Beauty of Joseon, and it has worked wonders. I mean, it's cleared his dark spots and completely rejuvenated his skin. If you haven't tried Korean skincare, please don't sleep. You're going to want to purchase this product before it's sold out and before the prices go up.
I know your journal's full right now with all these good notes. Moving on to one more video, just so you know all the options you have available to you when it comes to creating these short videos. This one right here by Nutrigold1 has over 120,000 views, and it's for an oil pulling product. So let's watch it real quick.
These are 3 dangerous things that would happen if you oil pull every day. After the first time you take it, you would see your gums begin to bleed as the oil cleans the areas in your mouth that the toothbrush can't get to, giving you a cool, refreshing sensation. The oil-pulling kit from Guru Nanda includes a tongue cleaner to eliminate the white pus at the back of your tongue, to keep your breath fresh all day long. Finally, you will notice you feel more confident as your teeth look as white as milk. Bacterial count and plaque on your teeth have decreased, giving you a beautiful smile. Due to high demand, they are selling out quickly, so get your eyes on the TikTok shop below.
I'll just say, if you look over to your right, these comments are wild. And so with this being the last video, let's talk about the secret framework that all of these videos follow. And that is the HPS-CTA. H stands for hook. The videos that were very successful had a strong introduction. Within the first few seconds, it grabbed your attention. It made you want to keep watching. And so if you want your videos to go viral, a hook is essential. The next letter in the HPS-CTA framework stands for problem. These successful videos made sure to clearly state what was the problem that the audience experienced. Even some of them made sure to call out specific issues, like having back pain and trouble sleeping at night. And so the really good videos make people feel like they have a really big problem and need to buy their product as the solution, which brings me to the S in the HPS-CTA framework. And so the solution or the answer to their problem needs to be clearly stated in the video. You want to focus in and highlight how wonderful your solution is and how it can transform someone from the bad state that they are currently in to their ideal person. And that's what your solution or your affiliate product can do. And the last letters in the framework, also known as CTA, stands for call to action. These most successful videos make sure to clearly tell people where they can buy the product product. Most of them will have an arrow or point down to the bottom left-hand corner of their screen. And on the bottom left-hand corner, there'll be a button to click and get access to the TikTok shop, where they can then purchase the product. And so if you use the HPS-CTA framework, you will see success with TikTok affiliate marketing. And now you might be wondering, how do I find a winning product? Well, the best place to find winning TikTok affiliate products is on Kalodata. This is an amazing website that lets you see popular and upcoming products. And so with this tool, you can find winning affiliate products before they get big. So let's hop into Kalodata so you can see how easy it is to use the tool.
So here we are on Kalodata.com. What's great about this tool is that you can get a 7-day free trial. So we're going to click start free 7-day trial. And so we're going to sign up with our email. Kalodata is going to ask for a verification code and we're going to sign up. Are you running a business on TikTok? Yes. What's your business type? We are a creator. What's the size of your team? Just one. What do we call you? Darcy. How did you learn about us? You learned about it from Darcy's business on YouTube. And now you have successfully signed up for Kalodata. You can have fun with this website and explore it as much as you like, and that will grow your channel even more and add on to what I'm about to show you today. And so with Kalodata, you can easily see the top selling products. And so the first thing I noticed, because I've been on Kalodata for quite a few weeks, I see Granada was number 3 when it was previously number 1. And so products are moving every single day. What you can do is hop on the trend for a product, follow the HPS-CTA framework, and have thousands of dollars going into your bank account. So the first product is the Lenovo ThinkPlus X15 Pro Earphone Wireless Bluetooth. And then we have the multi-mineral CMOS 300 milligram vitamins, black sea oil vitamins. Third, we have Granada Coconut Mint for oil pulling. We have the 15-day cleanse, and then we have these multi-collagen peptides powder. And so to take from these top products, vitamins and cleanses do very well. So one thing to take from this is that health products do very well with TikTok affiliate marketing. Scroll down a bit more, we can see top creators. We have Jeffree Star, Allison Anderson, as well as a couple of other influencers. And so these creators have really big followings. But as we saw earlier, you can have a small following and still make a ton of money. Moving on down, we see top videos as well as top live streams. And so one of the things that small channels are doing is going live and seeing even more sales. By some chance, the videos you're making aren't working. When you go live, you're able to see sales in that moment. And Kalodata does a great job of showing you the revenue that each product brings in. And so if you've ever tried affiliate marketing, TikTok Shop is much better and gives creators a much higher percent of the revenue. So let's click on one of these videos so you can see all of the data that Kalodata offers. And to the right, we see the name of the TikTok creator. To the left, we see the video, the title, the hashtags, as well as the music that the creator used to make the video. And then if you scroll down, it shows you the product that the creator recommended, as well as a ton of other data. You're able to see how many views did the video get, how many total items were sold, and then how many items are sold on a daily basis, how much revenue was made from the video, as well as how many followers he's gaining on a daily basis. Moving on down, you see similar videos that have performed well. And so everything that you need to create a successful video and start making thousands of dollars in a month, even thousands of dollars on a daily basis. And so Kalodata plus the secret framework will give you everything you need to start making thousands of dollars a month and even thousands of dollars on a daily basis. And this is by far the easiest and fastest way in 2024 to make thousands of dollars a month.
And so now you might be wondering, how do I get started? How can I find a community of people that can help and support me as I create TikTok videos? The solution that you've been looking for and a free way to get help from a supportive community on growing your TikTok shop and making that TikTok affiliate money is with the TikTok Shop Affiliate Program Facebook group. And I've included a link in the description below. And to give you more detail, this group is being led by Ruben Recommends, the same guy that you saw earlier that has over 10,000 followers and has at least one video with over 1 million views. If you have any questions, let me know, and make sure to check out this video right here, as YouTube says it's the best one for you.